you guys. You guys. Chanel sent me a bunch of makeup and oh my God. It's honestly just so annoying how good it is. Clickbait. Let's do a Chanel haul together. This is a staple. This is the Healthy Glow bronzing cream. And you can really just take this. It's wet, but you can use a brush and kind of just blend it on your skin. It's pretty much a staple. We all use it as makeup artists, and we also use it on the body. So this is a winner. Les beige. Let's party. Next we have the multi-effect quad eyeshadow. This is a limited edition in tweed. Okay, it comes in this cute little case. This is the perfect palette for brunettes. Just saying. Just spraying. Ooh, what is this? Oh, mascara. Love it. Also, these are like some of my favorite eyeliners. This is the Style Eye Waterproof. These are awesome. They don't bunch. They're long lasting and I love them. This is the Sublimage cream for the décolleté, the neckleté as I like to call it. The neck, the face. This is great for mature skin. It is so luxurious and delicious. So if you've got mature skin, winter's coming and you might want to invest. Comment if you love Chanel or you have any questions. Also, this is like the only like crossbody bag I can afford right now. And my fingerprints are on it. Cute.